Look at these slides. Nicely designed, highly detailed, and ready to present. But here's the most amazing part. They're completely AI generated. In the next 60 seconds, let me walk you through how you can do the same using Runable. First, head to Runable's AI Slides section and simply tell it what you need. Something like, create a presentation on the future of work in 2050. Now comes the fun part. Browse through thousands of professional design templates. Scroll until one catches your eye. This one looks great. Let's go with it. Hit Run and Runable gets to work. It pulls all the research, grabs the data, and builds your entire presentation automatically. A few minutes later, your slides are done. But let's make them even better. This image, let's swap it out. Search for one online. Or generate a fresh one with AI. Much better. This section's a bit text-heavy. Let's clean it up. Way cleaner. You can adjust anything, images, text, colors, until it's exactly how you want it. And just like that, you've got a presentation-ready deck. That's how you create professional slides in minutes with Runable. Simple, fast, and powerful. See you next time.